In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the battery in your Subaru STI key fob. This particular device was used on STIs between 2016 and 2020, and inside we will find one CR2032 battery. It's really easy to change this at home. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these batteries. So if you'd like to pick one of these batteries up online, I will put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And once you have that, just go ahead and follow along. First step, flip this thing over to the back and you're going to hold down this little silver button and pull out your internal key. As you can see, I don't actually have the key right now. Just hold it down, pull the key out and set that to the side. Now we can look over here. This is the keyhole right there, and then right above that, there's a little smaller indentation that kind of runs parallel to it. So right here, keyhole, we want to go in there. And just push your flathead in there, hold the device loosely and twist your screwdriver there. Now you can see the back piece of plastic is coming off. You can pull it apart with your fingers, or you can just work your way down, twisting to open it up. Now set the back to the side for now. Just going to lift out this little component here. Be careful not to remove this rubber here, because it actually holds these buttons in and these will come falling out. So just set this down to the side. And when handling this piece here, I like to hold it from the sides as to not touch the delicate components there on the back. And what we want to do is push the corner of this flathead screwdriver right in between the battery and this black plastic behind it. So just get in that little space, and now you're just going to push with a constant pressure until you feel that you slip behind the battery. You can kind of pry it out like that. Don't shove it in, just start to apply pressure until you feel it slide in there, and it'll come out pretty easily. Now we can take our CR2032 battery, and again, if you don't know where to get this, I will leave a link in the description to pick one up on Amazon. And take it, slide it in down first towards this lower part, and then click in the top. Otherwise it won't want to go in. If you put it line up the top first, it won't click in on the bottom. So get it behind these larger pieces of plastic first, slide it down, and then click in the top. And now pick up the back piece of plastic here, and you see that little battery icon there? We're going to put the battery right on top of that. And now again, handling this part a little bit carefully, because we don't want to turn it over and lose those batteries. We're just going to put these together. Slowly turn them, kind of fold them together, and then just click it all back together. Put your key in there, and you can check that that light is indeed coming on. That means your battery has some juice in it and you followed all the steps correctly, and you're pretty much all set and good to go. I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can let me know in the comments section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery for any of your key fobs for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.